Hello everyone. I would like to welcome you to my presentation. But first of all, let me thank you to all of you for preparing yourself in every meeting of English online. As you can see on your screen, our today topic is about verbal evaluation. My talk is particularly discuss about what you are going to do and what you are going to prepare in this meeting. So please take a seat and focus to my explanation. Here you can see there are topics that you are going to choose in preparing the verbal evaluation. Di sini ada topik yang akan dipilih dalam mempersiapkan verbal evaluation. And the topics are, yang pertama, hobbies, like and dislike. After that, you have daily routines 1, and then daily routines 2. After that, you learn plans, and the last is about life story. So remember, there are only 5 topics. Hanya ada 5 topik yang akan digunakan in making dalam membuat the monologue video monolog ya dalam verbal evaluation. Okay, continue to the next discussion. After you remember and memorizing the 5 topics that you learn after midterm, yang berikutnya dilakukan adalah the students are going to make and perform a monologue. Anda akan membuat video monolog. Let us see the step by step to do the monologue video. The monologue consists of 3 parts, the beginning, middle, and end. Ada 3 bagian pada monolog, yaitu awal, beginning, middle, bagian tengah, dan end, bagian akhir. Next, the beginning consists of life story topic. So, artinya pada paragraf beginning itu menceritakan tentang topik yang ada atau yang Anda pelajari pada life story. And then continue, the middle consists of daily routines 1, daily routines 2, hobbies, like and dislike. Dilanjutkan pada paragraf kedua atau bagian tengah. Paragraf tersebut membicarakan tentang daily routines 1 dan 2, hobi, like and dislike. Next, the end consists of plan topic. Bagian terakhir atau bagian paragraf paling bawah, paragraf ketiga, menceritakan tentang topik rencana. Then after that, deliver a proper introduction before perform the monologue and a closing after finish the monologue. Jadi sebelum menceritakan monolog ini, sebelum Anda masuk pada paragraf pertama, introduce yourself, perkenalkan diri dahulu. Setelah selesai menceritakan the third paragraph atau the end, close the monologue video. So, your job mencari bagaimana memperkenalkan diri dan menutup monolog video dengan baik. Now, take a look an example of monologue. And please remember, do not copy and make this example as your verbal evaluation assignment. Ingat bahwa ini hanyalah contoh, jangan di-copy sehingga menjadi skrip untuk monolog Anda atau yang akan Anda perform, Anda tampilkan pada video verbal evaluation. Let us see and read together the monologue script. Mari kita baca bersama-sama. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Kani. I want to tell you about my life story. Halo, perkenalkan nama saya Kani. Saya mau menceritakan tentang cerita kehidupan saya. I am 20 years old and studying pharmacy in Harapan Bangsa University. Saya 20 tahun dan sedang belajar farmasi di Universitas Harapan Bangsa. Now, that part of sentence is a part of introduction. Jadi yang tadi barusan saya baca adalah bagian introduction. There are a lot of examples of introduction in the internet. Banyak contohnya di internet. Search and browse by yourself. Cari sendiri dan buatlah kalimat introduction yang baik oleh Anda sendiri. Kita lanjut. Last year, I was a high school student. Tahun lalu saya adalah siswa SMA. I was 19 years old and I was on my parents' house. I was a beautiful and diligent student at my school. And I and my friends were very happy spend our time near the lake until the sun goes down. Artinya, tahun lalu saya siswa SMA. Saya umurnya 19 tahun dan saya tinggal di rumah orang tua saya. Saya cantik dan rajin di sekolah saya. Saya revisi. Saya adalah siswa yang cantik dan rajin di sekolah saya. Saya dan teman-teman saya sangat senang menghabiskan waktu di dekat sungai sampai matahari terbenam. Now look at here. At the end of the paragraph, there is an explanation. Ada penjelasan bahwa the first paragraph is the beginning that consists of life story topic. Jadi paragraf pertama ini yang disebut dengan beginning dan menceritakan tentang topik life story. The next paragraph, now I am a student in Harapan Bangsa University majoring in pharmacy. I always go to campus at 9 a.m. Before that, I make a bed at 7 a.m. and I have my breakfast at half past 7 a.m. I am taking a bath usually in 15 minutes. In the afternoon, I spend my time with my hobby. My hobby is reading. I like reading a novel and I dislike doing sport. At the end of the paragraph, di paragraf terakhir itu ada explanation bahwa this is middle paragraph, paragraf tengah, that consists of daily routines, hobby, like and dislike topic. Paragraf ketiga, in the future, after graduating, I am going to open my drugstore, my own drugstore. I will have 3 branches of my own around the city. So this is the last paragraph. Ini adalah paragraf terakhir yang kita kenal dengan end atau the end. At the end of the paragraph consists of topic plan atau plan topik. Jadi paragraf ketiga ini menceritakan tentang plan. So later nanti when you want to make a monologue video, kalau mau membuat video monolog, first of all, pertama kali yang harus dilakukan is making the monologue script. Ini yang akan Anda buat. So this is an example. Later, please create by your own. Ini hanyalah contoh dan buat sendiri berdasarkan pemahaman dan pembelajaran Anda dari materi sebelumnya. Okay, continuing discussing about the first paragraph or the beginning paragraph that is talking about life story topic. In that paragraph must consist one sentence of was, were plus adjective. Jadi dalam paragraf pertama yang membahas topik life story, pada paragraf tersebut harus terdapat atau must consist satu kalimat was were diikuti adjective. Next, one sentence of was were diikuti place atau kalimat was were diikuti lokasi tempat. One sentence of was were follow by age, satu kalimat was were, kemudian diikuti umur, dan one sentence of was were follow by profession, diikuti oleh profesi. Remember, take a look the materials about life story atau materi was were. Contoh yang langsung diikuti profesi itu seperti apa? So the total is 4 sentence. Totalnya ada 4 kalimat. At least paling tidak 4 kalimat ini harus ada pada paragraf pertama. Selain introduction ya. And the form of the sentence can be in positive or negative form. Dan bentuk kalimatnya boleh dalam positif atau negatif. If it is negative sentence, tinggal ditambahkan not. Begitu ya pemahamannya. If you forget about the material, please take a look again about the life story topic. But still, tapi tetap pada paragraf pertama harus ada 4 kalimat seperti yang ada on your screen, yang ada di layar Anda. The middle paragraph atau paragraf kedua, daily routines and hobby topic. Jadi topiknya itu terkait materi yang ada di daily routines 1 dan 2, and then hobby, like and dislike. In this paragraph atau di paragraf ini must consist 3 sentence of daily routines. Harus terdapat 3 kalimat daily routines. 1 sentence of adverb frequency, 1 kalimat tentang hobi, 2 sentences of like and dislike. So the total will be 7 sentence. At least, paling tidak di paragraf kedua harus ada 7 kalimat yang mengcover the topic about daily routines 1 dan 2, hobi, like and dislike. Harus ada paling tidak 7 kalimat. More than 7 sentence is very good. Lebih bagus jika lebih dari 7 kalimat. Minimal 7 sentence ya. And the form of the sentence can be in positive or negative. Sama seperti paragraf pertama, form of the sentence, pola kalimatnya boleh dalam bentuk positif atau pola kalimat negatif. Now moving on to the end paragraph atau paragraf terakhir that is talking about plan. Paragraf terakhir menceritakan tentang plan. In this paragraph must consist one sentence of going to followed by verb 1. Harus ada satu kalimat tentang going to diikuti verb 1 and then one sentence of will followed by verb 1. So the total will be 2 sentences. Paragraf ketiga paling tidak ada 2 kalimat dari going to dan will. Remember, because this is talking about plan, karena menceritakan tentang rencana, the form of the sentence should be in positive. Rencananya harus dalam bentuk kalimat positif, not in negative form. Jadi tidak ada pola kalimat negatif in the end paragraph atau pada paragraf ketiga, paragraf end. If you are making more than 2 sentences, very good. Bagus jika membuat lebih dari 2 kalimat. Okay, let's continue our discussion. What you have to do next? Apa yang harus dilakukan berikutnya setelah memahami tugas yang akan dibuat in monolog video. First, monolog script. Create a script from the topic and memorize it. Dihafal, bukan dibaca. Because reading in the video is not allowed. Tidak dibenarkan, tidak diperbolehkan membaca saat pembuatan video monolog. After that, you will continue to the process of monolog video. Akan membuat video monolog. After memorizing the script, then create a monolog video that is showing your face. Udah diingat, dihafal skripnya, dibuat videonya. Dan in the video harus ada wajahnya, bukan suaranya saja. After that, continue to the submission. In the submission, upload the monolog video in YouTube and the link in Scalsa. Jadi upload dulu video monolognya di YouTube, copy linknya dan upload di Scalsa. Before I finish my presentation, I would like to tell you about famous words from author that telling us Education is our passport to the future. Pendidikan adalah kunci kita atau kartu kita untuk masa depan. For tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. Orang-orang yang mau pergi ke masa depan pasti akan bersiap dari sekarang. So prepare yourself in making the monologue video and perform with the best. So you will get an excellent result. Persiapkan dengan baik, tampilkan dengan kemampuan terbaik Anda, sehingga Anda akan mendapatkan hasil yang memuaskan. Okay, the last thing that I would like to say to you is good luck on your exam. Semoga sukses pada ujian UAS Anda. You have studied hard and prepared well. Saya yakin Anda sudah belajar dengan maksimal dan mempersiapkan dengan baik. I am hoping that I can see you on the next semester. Semoga kita bisa ketemu lagi di semester depan. Break a leg, guys.